So today we will explore the world of chemistry. We will learn about matter, elements, metals, non-metals, metalloids, and compounds. Huwag kayong kabahan kasi madali lang ito kapag naiintindihan natin sa simpleng paraan. So part 1, classification of matter. Class: matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Simpleng definition: lahat ng nakikita at nahahawakan natin, yan ay matter. May dalawang classification daw ng matter. Pure substances, isa lang ang composition, dalawa pa ang uri nito. Elements, isang klase ng atom lang. Example, oxygen, gold, and iron. Sa compounds naman, dalawa o higit pang elements, chemically combined. Example, water and salt. So, mixtures, combination ng dalawang substance na hindi chemically bonded. So, homogeneous mixture, pantay ang halo. Example, suka, air, sugar, solution. So, sa heterogeneous mixture naman, kitang-kita ang pagkakaiba. Example, ang binibili nating halo-halo, oil and water, and salad. So, punta naman tayo sa part 2 ng elements. An element is the simplest form of matter. Isang uri daw to ng atom, nakikita natin sila sa periodic table. Sample nito, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. So, ganyan kadali ang elements. So, mapunta na tayo sa part 3, ang metals. Metals are shiny, strong, at magaling mag-conduct ng heat and electricity. Properties ng metals. Solid sila sa room temperature except mercury. Malleable of ductile, pwedeng pukpukin o gawing wire. Good conductor electricity and heat. Example, copper, yung sa kuryente, gold, jewelry, zinc, batteries. Question: sino ang may alas o gamit na gawa sa metal? Raise your hand. So, punta tayo dito sa part 4, ang non-metals. Non-metals naman ay brittle, hindi conductor at pwedeng solid, liquid, o gas. Example, oxygen, air, we breathe. Carbon, sa pencils. Sulfur, sa posporo. So, part 5, ang metalloids. Metalloids have properties of both metals and non-metals. Example, silicon, ginagamit sa computer chips. Boron, sa fiberglass at detergent. Arsenic, toxic kaya control ang gamit. Hindi to yung ex nyo Antimony, ginagamit sa batteries at bullets. Part 6, compounds. A compound is made of 2 or more elements chemically combined. Example, water. Hydrogen plus water. Sugar, carbon plus hydrogen plus oxygen. Salt, sodium plus chlorine. Tandaan, element, isang uri lang ng atom, compound, combination ng element. So, okay class. Try natin sabihin nyo kung elements, compound, homogeneous mixture, o heterogeneous mixture. So, milk. Right. Oh, iron. Very good. Salt. Yes. Oil and water. Very good then. Air. Nice. Conclusion. So, today, natutunan natin na ang matter ay nahahati sa pure substances, elements and compounds, at mixtures homogeneous at heterogeneous. Ang mga elements ay pwedeng metals, non-metals, and metalloids. At kapag pinagsama-sama ang elements, nagiging compounds. So, class, just like matter, each of us as important. At kapag nagsama-sama, kaya nating bumuo ng isang malaking pagbabago. So, that's all for today. Thank you. Sana may natutunan kayo.